R&B lovers.
Hi guys.
It's Raul.
It's Brandon.
And you're welcome back to another vlog.
Exactly. Exactly.
We got a jam-packed week of stuff to do. No shortage. And we'll tell you a little secret at the end of this vlog so you can get excited about the next episode. But what are we doing today, babe?
We're about to go to the gym.
Period.
Work out.
Okay.
And our wait, what is this brand called? Reprimo.
Period.
So,
my man like to wear my initials.
Exactly.
Okay, show him the back. Show him the back.
Exactly.
Wait a second, babe. Hold on. Where's your waist at?
I don't know. I'm looking a little.
Oh my God, y'all.
Yeah.
Brandon did not have a waist. If y'all find it somewhere, please help us out. I'm not sure how he can stand with such a tiny itty bitty waist.
Child, I can't barely.
Barely. But seriously, we're getting ready to go to the gym. We wanted to give y'all a little bit of our like weekly routine or daily routine. So it starts with waking up early. If I have calls, I knock those out. If I have a little space after those early morning calls, walk the dog. Shout out Binky. Say hi to the
Get out
dog.
of there. Oh, she got caught in action.
Oh. She's a dog, but she like to lick that cat. So after walking the dog, after my early morning calls, we go to the gym. So Buki is making our pre-workout. So let me show y'all what we use and how we do it. So what's this?
C4 Sport.
Ripped. That's how you stay ripped.
Yeah. It does it for us. It gets us motivated to work out, even though we're not people that work out.
We are people that we
work out, but we don't work out. Okay, you know what I mean? We might do a little 30 minutes here, 45 minutes one day.
This ain't no fitness influencer vlog, so y'all gonna get the real tea.
We do the best we can with what we got.
Exactly. So making the pre-workout, getting the buzz, and we'll see you in the gym.
At the gym.
Don't forget to stretch, y'all, because if you don't stretch, the likelihood of pulling a muscle increases exponentially. So take that tip. Stretch first.
Stretch. So let's get our stretches, babe. What type of stretches you do? This is what he do, guys.
Just want to work out the whole body, get the blood flowing, practice the control. You want to make sure you stretch your arm, back, legs. Normally I would take probably 10-15 second pause in between each muscle group, but I want to speed it up for y'all so we can get to the real workout.
Okay.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
And just like that, the workout is done.
All done.
Quick, easy, something to do 3 to 5 times a week, and you stay healthy. It's just that simple. Now I'm off to work, and Buki's off to do what they do best, okay?
Okay, period.
It's breakfast time. Y'all can see I'm still in my workout clothes because I went straight to work. And then I went straight to work. We got southwestern potatoes, some scrambled eggs with cheese, and a little bit of uncured hickory smoked bacon.
Period.
Eat a little healthy, but very southern over here.
Exactly.
And I'm about to tear it up.
Then we got a little kombucha.
Okay.
Okay, period. A little piece of kombucha. But yeah, we're about to eat breakfast after the gym and get the day started because he got work to do.
I got so much work to do, y'all, but this is life, and I'm blessed to live it.
Guys, we're back with another PR haul. I'm so excited to share some things with you guys that some brands have sent to me. I got some jewelry, I got some skincare, I got some makeup, And what I got, some like fragrance. I got a lot of things to share with you guys. Super exciting. Shout out to the brands for sending me this stuff. And yes, I'm sitting on my floor because I can't stand up and do this at the same time. Look at baby, she's on the bed. Hey mommy, you made a guest appearance. They love you. But let's get into this haul. Okay, so You to the People sent over a PR package. This is a lot of skincare, a lot of their skincare items. Of course, their iconic face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, and this is a serum. Never tried this before. Super excited to try the serum and the sunscreen because I haven't tried these two items, but I have tried these before, which I love. And thank you guys for sending it to me again because this is definitely coming on vacation with me this weekend. Got this Estee Lauder serum. This is the sculpting serum. I heard so many good things about this and I'm so excited that Estee Lauder sent me this. Of course, I love their foundation and I love their under eye cream. Woo. Let me tell you, L'Oreal sent over their new Lemmy Glotions. I have them in 4 different shades. And it's just basically a glow enhancer. You can wear it under your makeup or you can put it all over your body to give you that extra glow. I'm going on vacation, so it's perfect for vacation to like try these. Roz sent over some hair care stuff. This is the milk serum. Let's see how it looks. I don't have no idea what it looks like. Milk serum for the hair. You know, I gotta keep my hair laid. And this is some styling oil. Keep the hair hydrated. Dr. Leo sent over some products. They sent over 3 items. This is the 3 Acid Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. This is a purifying facial cleanser. And this is a acne booster. Oh, I've been needing this, especially like going on vacation, like flying and stuff. You know how you get those random breakouts. Perfect for just putting it on and killing that bacteria in the face. So I'm excited for this because I need it more. I'm tired of the pimple patches. They don't really do much for me. POV sent over more of their like skincare products. And I'm so excited because they want to do like a challenge or whatever. So we have to do like a challenge online and just like under makeup. Of course, they sent over, what is this? This is the Whip It cream, the Whip It moisturizer. Guys, when I tell you I use this under my foundation all the time and it literally like makes my makeup like glide on so smooth and it lays my makeup like perfectly. I learned that trick from Makeup by Mario. He uses that on his clients as well, and we went to his masterclass and he was using it on like the model and he was like, this is his favorite. And when I tell you I started trying it under my makeup as well, not going back. Not going back. This she sent over the Tacky Primer, Soothing Priming Milk. So I think this is a milk primer, which I haven't tried yet, but I do have it in my cabinet already. This is the Glow Serum. I tried this, love that, love me a good glow serum. And this is the Amplifying Lip. I haven't tried this one. This one is new, I think so. Oh no, I have tried this one. This is this packaging. I have tried this. Yeah, I like that one as well. Just, you know, hydrating the lips, keep it nice and hydrated. Love those. Love my lip products. Of course, still Club. I think that I can't pronounce the brand. I think it's Savion NYC. They sent me over some jewelry, guys. When I tell you I'm obsessed. I've been obsessed with their brand for a while, so I had like reached out and like, guys, I would love to like collaborate with you guys because like I love my bold accessories when I like dress up and stuff. So they sent over a few products. Cute too, like they're like heavy and just looks luxury. Okay, so they sent over some bracelets. This looks like a slinky, but when you put it on, it like lays flat. And then we have like this. Guys, I'm obsessed. These gorgeous earrings. We have these. They're nice and heavy. I'm obsessed with these. When I try these on right here, baby, with a slick back pony, you're about to eat the girls up. These cool earrings. This is nice and heavy and like thick. Love those. And this cool necklace, which like lays flat on the neck like this, which is so cute. I already got some outfits in mind that I want to wear with this. And shout out to y'all for literally sending me this. Like, you know I'm a jewelry girl. Like, I always gotta have my bold, big accessories. This is from, Revlon. Of course, they sent over So many lipsticks, so many different shades. I have these before. I may do a giveaway for these because I have like all these shades already. So it'd be good to do like a giveaway. So if you guys want me to do a giveaway, I can do a giveaway for you guys if you guys need it. I have so many. It's like a box full. I can definitely do a giveaway because I do love them and I already have some. So perfect to give away from other people. What else do we have here? Oh, also Revlon to cover these. I have to do a video for these so I can't see you guys these, but these are different lipsticks and lip liners. This is the Instant Plump Serum Lipstick and Instant Blur Liner. So it comes in all these different shades. I'm definitely gonna do a video for you guys on Instagram. Should be coming soon. Also, I'm excited for this. You guys have no idea I'm excited because I love Mary Phillips and I love her brand. Like it's like a clean brand, like that natural girl glam, which I love. And she finally launched some foundations. So she sent over the new foundation. It's called La Skin. 3 different shades so I can make sure I match my perfect complexion. So I'm excited to try these. I'm definitely gonna do a video for you guys with this and share with you guys. And she also sent over a new thing of the Under Paint palette, which I already have and I'm obsessed with. I use this in like my daily glam. A contour, highlight, and then you can also use this shade as a like a color corrector. Excited to be an MPH girl. Merit Beauty sent over their new product that they have. This comes with the new Signature Lip. This is their new blush lip shades. Let's see what color, because I don't know what color they sent me. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Love that. It looks so luxurious. Oh, this shade is pretty. It's like a pinky nude. You know I love that. Like a blush pinky nude. Love that. Also sent over, I'm thinking this is a lip liner. So, I just love the packaging. Like, it's luxury. That's what I love. I love luxury packing. When I start my line, it's gonna be like luxury as well. And also another shade in the lipstick. This is a signature as well. This one is definitely oh no, this is more like brown. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I can't wait to try these. I need to do a video for these too, guys. What you think? Like, just do a lip video trying on those two. Like, I hate wasting pointless videos because I like to do a full glam and not just focus on one product. So it's hard for me to like, let me just do a full beat and just do my lips. It's just like, that's a waste of video. I have to do like the whole thing because it's like, why not? It's a full video, full glam for you guys. But anyways, yeah, this is what I got this week. Have more stuff coming in, which I just want to share this because it's already like so much stuff and I haven't done one in a minute. So this is going on this weekly vlog. Oh, Bay isn't it working. I'm gonna get ready and probably start my day. I'm probably gonna do a video for one of these brands today. I think so. If I'm not feeling too lazy. I want to say some of this stuff to do like content on vacation as well, even though I shouldn't be working on vacation, but why not? Anyways, shout out to the brands for sending me all this stuff. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys want to see any of this or you have any questions about some of the things I got, hit me up, let me know, and we can talk about it. Guys, we have to go out and walk the baby in a snowstorm. We're getting dressed right now. You guys wait till you see outside.
Oh my god, what is that? I'm just kidding. It's our jackets.
It's our jackets that are hanging. But we gotta get baby out suited and booted for the snowstorm, right, mommy? She's like, she hates it, but she gotta use the bathroom because her daddy been on a call all morning. So, and I was not walking her along this time in this snowstorm. So, he lucky I even went out this time with them because I wanted him to like see what I had to go through last time when he went on that trip and I was here on a snowstorm by myself. Yeah. I wanted him to see what it felt like. Right, mama? She don't even want to go out there, but she's going. She's going. We gotta put her little cutesy jacket on we got from Amazon. We can link it below too as well.
What's going on?
What is you got going on?
I'm all nervous, y'all.
Press her harness from, where's this from?
Dog Friendly Co.
Dog Friendly Co. She loves this thing. Matches her skin color. You guys know that. Her fur color, not skin color. How cute she looks. It's her favorite. She knows it's time to go out. She's going out later than usual. Right, mommy? Right? Every time we put this on, she get frozen. She don't want to move. We gotta put on her boots. We gotta put on her boots.
Big mama boots. Boots the house down. Snow is so high out there, it still gets inside the boots.
Yeah, literally.
And keep underneath your leg.
I got it. Come here, mommy. Let's go. Come on. Guys, look at her little walk. Mommy, look. Show the people. Let's get dressed up, child. That's also, I don't want to go out there for real, for real.
It's cold, y'all. Be even colder when we get out there, so pray for me.
Going down. Guys, it is so freaking deep out here. Oh my god. Literally a freaking snowstorm.
It's cold, y'all.
I told y'all, the snow is something else.
It looks like the end of days out
Hey guys, so we're on our way to baby comedy set tonight.
Okay, I got another show. I'm
Yeah.
booked in Billy's this year, so we're on the way to the show. You can't see, but we got Zari in the back.
We got my cousin Zari in the back.
Zari on the vlog. So we're looking good on time. We got to get there a little early because I got to do some pre-show prep with the team, but I'm excited. I'm competing in a comedy festival, so this is by no means my first festival, but it's the second time I'm returning for this festival, so excited. Broadway Comedy Club, big comedy club, well known, so fingers crossed I pass, I win, and we get the money.
But you are gonna win, okay? Period.
So thank you. That's
Yeah,
what I'm thinking.
child.
So see you at the venue.
See you guys at the venue. So we headed down, looking chic, looking fly. But yeah, it's been a day, a long journey, child. I had to go to the hospital, drop off some papers, came home. I wasn't feeling like the best, so came home, laid on the couch for like hours, and then started getting ready. Zara came over because she's watching baby for the weekend. So I was excited about that. But yeah, anyways, we're on our way there. Too much music playing, so I can't talk to you guys.
This ancient Puerto Rican NyQuil, all right? And she opens up this like Royal Dance cookie box. If you know, you know, okay? So she opens it up and she's like, "Here, smoke this." You know, I was like, okay, you sound Italian, but sure.
Guess where we are?
We are at the airport.
Brandon's second favorite place after the store.
After the store.
You love the store, and you love the airport.
I let her pack my bags to come to the airport. We're going on our vacation.
We got a surprise weekend vacation.
Yeah.
Y'all don't even know about. We're going somewhere tropical. And guess what? We're not gonna tell you yet. So now you have to wait.